Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will be talking about how you can be acing your Kira interview like a pro.
Have you ever heard about Kira Talent interviews? The Kira Talent interview is a Canadian video-based interview platform that allows professional schools to interview prospective applicants by video as a pre-screen before further admission steps. The question allows the interviews to have a holistic look at the applicant.
So if you're wondering how to nail this interview, this video is just for you. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates on such informative content. So let's get started. Okay, so hi Saharsh, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Saharsh. I have recently completed my graduation back in 2020, and post that I've been working with Deloitte for last 2 years, and I have got some projects from there as well, and a few international projects as such. But yeah, I'm looking forward to more things from Canadian schools as well. I'm looking forward to working with Ivy and maybe other Queens or schools like this.
Okay, alright.
Can I get some order?
Sure, not a problem. No worries, Saharsh, just calm down, right? It's all about being confident, okay? You've come here, you've come to the stage of the interview, so you've won 90% of the battle already, okay? Having said that, right, did you know as a matter of fact, 40% of the employers don't really take the candidate towards the next stage just because they see a lack of confidence. So don't let that ruin your interview.
So this is a reminder for you that confidence is the key.
So, okay, can you please give me some pointers how I can ace this Kira interview properly?
Well, all you need to do is take care of 3 things.
The first thing is integrity. Being honest with your answers, being authentic with your responses, and showing who you literally really are will go a long way in the interview. Don't embellish. Be true to your experiences, your strengths, and your weakness.
Number 2, I would say it's all about your soft skills. This is perhaps the most crucial element in the entire interview. Think about your qualities that make you stand out from your fellow students. Be proud of who you are, Saharsh.
And the third is all sides. Often questions are presented with a limited scope. You have to present thoughtful responses which look all sides of a given question. Provide context, give insight to your decision making. The essentials test will bring the evaluator into your mind and envision the amazing critical thinker you are.
Wow, these are very insightful tips, right? Are there any other key tips that I should keep in my mind?
Yes, there are some important key factors that you need to keep in mind.
Don't pre-type your recorded answers. This will make you sound robotic and not genuine.
Apart from this, I would also recommend you not to memorize your stories. If you prepare too hard, the evaluators won't get to know the real you.
Also, avoid distractions at all points. Make sure you are in a quiet area without any disturbances.
Answer the question. Read carefully and answer the questions aptly. Avoid the fluff and get right to the point, since most of the time Kira interviews are timed.
Thanks a lot. I have learned a lot of things from you guys, and I have also buckled down a lot of things that I can use in the Kira interview itself. So thank you so much for the insightful information that you guys just shared with me. Right? I have learned a lot from you guys, and I've noted down all the insightful key points that you mentioned. Have you?
So to conclude, do keep in mind guys that you need to focus on a few factors like your leadership potential, your communication skills, comprehension and your soft skills as well.
Not just for the interview's growth, but for your overall growth too.
Absolutely. So with this, it's a wrap. If you like this video,
Please give it a big thumbs up.
and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates on such informative content. So if you like this video,
Please give it a big thumbs up.
I have you. मैं खुद को not यार नहीं हो पाएगा यार fuck क्या बोलो छोटू बाम confidence that ऐसे ऐसे yeah
Bye.
bye
Bye.
bye
Bye.